KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing lemon and coconut Basque burnt cheesecake. A very simple recipe and incredibly tasty and rich. First thing we need to do, 750 grams of cream cheese that we've softened and given a rough chop. That goes straight into our mixing bowl, and we are going to be using our stand mixer for this one. We're also going to add in 1 cup of caster sugar straight into the bowl over the top of the cheese. Alright, we're going to basically put this onto a beating speed. We're going to let that beat for around about 8 to 10 minutes and until we get some nice little soft peaks. And when you turn this on, you can see my hands sitting there ready to adjust the speed. Once we've got these beautiful soft peaks formed, I've just cut a bit of footage out of that. We're now ready for our next step. Okay, as I said, very simple recipe to do. I'm going to put this onto just a low speed like that. Very simple, and just watch out for any flickage that might come out of that bowl. Now we're going to add in 4 eggs, one at a time, and wait for them to become fairly well incorporated into our mix. Add them in just one at a time, and we're using a total of 4 eggs and 2 egg yolks for this recipe. So it is a fairly nice custardy type little dessert, this one. So just keep adding those in, wait for them, as I said, to become fully incorporated, and that'll be the safest thing for you to do. There goes our egg yolks. Keep mixing that just until they become incorporated, don't overdo it. Now I've got a vanilla bean. You can use vanilla bean paste. At a pinch you could actually use some vanilla essence. Look, using a paste or the real vanilla bean is the best way to go. So just cut your vanilla bean straight down the center, scrape it out with a knife, and mix all of those little beautiful bean seeds all the way through. Now here I've got one quantity of 375 milliliters of coconut cream. I've got about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons worth of lemon rind. That can go straight in, and all we really need to do is just mix that through, just again very lightly. We don't need to really go real heavy on this one, don't need to beat it or anything like that. I'm also going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of just everyday plain flour. That goes in, just mix that, don't go too hard on it. Quick mix, turn it off, and now we're ready to get baking. I'm putting this down on the baking sheet in case it grows too high. We're going to line our springform pan. That's a 22 centimeter springform pan. We're going to use 3 sheets of baking paper, right, just to overlap them like I'm sort of doing there. And look, it is a little bit like trying to put a square peg into a round hole. You will have to do a little bit of origami to make everything fit, but this is going to stop it from burning too harsh, but we still want a burnt top. Now put your mixture straight in. Our oven is sitting pretty much getting close to being maxed out at 220 degrees Celsius. Not quite maxed out, but almost. We're going to bake that off for around about, if my memory is correct, we're going to cook that for around about 15 minutes. We'll give it a turn 180 degrees and cook it again for about another 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to let that cool for at least an hour. As you can see, we've got a little bit of burnt on top. Not as burnt as what I would like. My oven's probably not operating the way I like it. We're just going to unclip that springform outside, take that off, and I'm actually using my flamethrower to get a real nice burnt flavour on top. And then what we're doing is we're basically burning off all the sugars, and there you go. You've got a beautiful lemon and coconut Basque burnt cheesecake. Look, don't let the burnt bit turn you off. It tastes amazing and is incredibly rich. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make incredibly decadent desserts like this, which I do very rarely, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat this amazing lemon and coconut Basque burnt cheesecake, and I will catch you next time. Bye!